Hey guys, what's up? It's Dale. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, guys, there are thunderstorms today. Yep, thunderstorms. Let me show y'all. Could y'all see it? Oh, I don't think you guys could see it. Well, there are thunderstorms today. The sky is gray. Yep, the sky is gray. Yep. And I see the leaves blowing. So, we're just gonna chill in the thunderstorm. A thunderstorm party! Yeah! Dab on the haters. So, my dad had a thunderstorm party, so I decided to make my own thunderstorm party. Ooh, yeah! Yeah! So anyway, I want to show y'all something. Really dope. Remember this thing? Remember that thing? On my other channel. Remember I did this on my other channel? Yeah, it was fun. Yup. So I gotta make this video quick because my phone's gonna die. I gotta charge my phone. Y'all know. So, oh god. Raindrop. Y'all see that? Whoa, I heard that. Ooh, easy. Y'all saw that? I got another. Really? I got an itch. Move my hand. Hold on. That feels better. Alright. Huh? What was that? What was that, Chrissy? Oh. Anyway, guys, so it's a thunderstorm. So let's drink. I'm joking. I'm joking. Nothing's in there. This is Coke. But it's plain. No, I mean, it's empty. Y'all see, it's empty. Okay, guys. No, not yet. Don't leave yet. I want to show you my amiibos. Pours it. Pour. My first amiibo. My second amiibo. My third amiibo. And that's all. There's one more, but I can't find it. Okay, guys. Bye.